And then our third type of comparison is to compare qualities or characteristics of people. In this one, we're going to use the name of the person we want to compare, plus the correct form of ser or estar. Remember, use ser for characteristics, estar for emotions. Then más or menos, then an adjective that you're comparing, plus que, plus the name of the second person. So, nosotros somos menos inteligentes que ellos. We are less intelligent than they are. We could reverse that sentence and say they are more intelligent than us simply by saying ellos son más inteligentes que nosotros. Then we have María está más enferma que un perro. Maria is sicker than a dog. And in the last one, ella está más nerviosa que él. She is more nervous than he is. Now remember, you have to have the name, ser or estar, conjugated correctly to match the person doing the action, plus más or menos, plus the adjective. Remember to match the adjective in gender and number with the person doing the action. So inteligentes is plural because nosotros is plural. If we put María y Juan, we would have to change estar to están, and then enferma to enfermos to make it match who is sick in gender and number.